Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for a wonderful year and thank you for having fun with me so far on this channel. When we finally went on lockdown, I actually didn't know what to do with myself. I then made up my mind to start posting regularly on this channel, and that was where I began to talk about the Philippines, and you guys have made it fun for me. The Vlogmas is not yet over because I think I'm in like the 17th vlog, but before the end of this year, I am promising you guys I'm going to get to 20 vlogs or 25 vlogs or so before the end of this year. So that's my plan. But for today's vlog, I am hoping to post this video on the 25th. But if this video does not make it on the 25th, please accept my belated Merry Christmas and wishes and love to your family members. So what I'll be doing today is just to show you guys what my Christmas routine is, since I'll be spending it alone and I do not have any of my family members here. So for this year, I decided that instead of doing like the usual Nigerian jollof rice that is well known for Christmas, I decided to do a traditional meal that we make with a broom. So basically I'll be cooking with a broom today. I'll be sharing with you guys a specific type of meal that we use a broom for it. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Abby and this is Waka Waka. Welcome here and join the rest of the family. I was at the Surah market yesterday and I got this from the market.
Jagger, jagger, jagger!
Hello! Hello!
Hello!
Merry Christmas! Hello!
Same to you.
Nice, beautiful!
I don't know the English name of this, but back home we call this ewedu. I got like a huge bunch of it in the Visoria yesterday, and before I went to bed yesterday I started plucking it because I know it's going to be a lot of work. And I am starting with this because I am so hungry. Like guys, I need food in my stomach right now. I just want to eat. Yesterday was a really long day for me. I finally went to the Visoria, so there's the Visoria vlog coming up and I'm just so glad to get it off the list. As how are you guys spending your Christmas, or how did you spend your Christmas, depending on when I post this video. So how are you spending your Christmas? Is it fun? What did you guys get for Christmas? Okay, send me my own Christmas presents, all right? Christmas. Oh, I still have a lot of leaf here, a lot. Just want to go through all of these and I don't want to waste anything.
And you come back empty-handed? What? Blinking Michael's mother. She's got some here in Miami. Feel the journey.
Since it's a lot, I'm just going to make everything at once and then just put it in the fridge so I can eat it probably till January next year. There's a lot of yellow leaves and I don't think this will be good for the soup. A lot of it. I'm just gonna throw them out. Frankly speaking, this year has been really difficult. It's been challenging. It started with being challenging and then I went through the difficulty part of just, how am I going to survive? How am I going to live? Oh my god, I'm stuck here in the Philippines. What is going to happen to me? And we got through that and I am here today to say, it's not been funny for anybody. People have lost their jobs, their lives. It will be a year to remember. I don't know what 2021 looks like. I mean, it's still probably some days away from here. At least there's something new to look forward to. I'm just really excited to see what 2021 brings. This is almost ready. I'm just gonna take it off right now and then brown it. I feel like the vegetable is not soft enough, so I'm gonna put it back on the stove and just let it soften up a bit, and then I'll go back to the brooming again. And while that is going on, I'm gonna go into the bathroom, brush my teeth, take a shower while waiting for things to get ready. The leaf that I got is a bit too matured because even with the bromine, I still wasn't able to achieve like that soft fineness. Christmas almost got ruined, but the food is still okay and I'm still gonna eat it that way. So yeah, the sauce has got meat in it, so this one is almost ready. So guys, this is me eating the food. It was really spicy, and I haven't had spicy food for a while. But then what almost ruined the meal was that after the bromine, the sauce is supposed to be slimy, and there was no form of sliminess in it. The leaf was just too strong and it just resisted the bromine. So this was what almost ruined my Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.